Welcome back to Sean's Do-It-Yourself Car Audio. Today we are going to be installing the PRV shallow mounts and comparing them with the JBL Club series. I've always wanted to try out pro audio speakers, but I never really had the chance to. So this is going to be it. Right now, I don't know if you can see it, but I have JBL 3.5s in the door and I have JBL 6.5s in the door. So we're going to pull the 6.5s out and put these in. I'm going to save you the process of pulling off the door panels just to keep it quicker for you guys, more enjoyable. And then we'll play some non-copyrighted music so you could hear what they both sound like. So let's test out the JBL Clubs real quick. I said it's in a 2001 Suburban. I'm going to be playing it off of my iPad since my phone is in use. And yes, this is a wireless charger in a 2001. So let's open that up. Get this started. Let the fuel pump run for a second. Start it up. This is that joying unit. I have enjoyed it thoroughly since I put it in. It's not an Alpine or anything like that, but I can tell you what, for I think I got this on sale for 315 bucks. It's quality for 315 bucks, that's for sure. So we're gonna be running this non-copyrighted music. Let's hear what these JBL 6.5 sound like. So they're pretty quiet from back here. Let's move it forwards. Just wait for those highs to kick back in, not highs, but mids. Those sound good, you know, just for like daily driving, these sound pretty good, but I want to see if I can get them louder because the sub in the back, that bad boy right there is loud. I don't lose 100% sound out of this, but it does get low. So let's start installing the PRVs and see how they do. The door panel is off. No, I did not sound dead in this door. You could hear it. Take a listen. Compared to my back doors, very different, but it's original, guys. It has the original vapor seal. That means something to me. I don't know. I'm an old school guy, but here's the JBL Clubs 6.5s. This is what they look like. They are nice speakers. If you notice on the tweeter, they have a little decibel changer from +3 to 0 dB right here. Let's take them out. So one thing I could take out from this PRV is it creates about 10 times more mid bass. Doesn't have obviously the highs as much as the JBL does, but I don't know if I need it. The thing is I would have to dynamat all in here to take out the vibration because it's loud. The mid bass is loud. Having a tough time, guys. Tell me what you think.